Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to block someone in TikTok. So, this tutorial will work in both PC and phones. So guys, if you are using your phones and you are using iOS, for example, you can just download TikTok from App Store. If you are using Android, you can just download the TikTok from Google Play. Now, you just have to create an account and then open TikTok. So, let's say now that you are using PC, you just have to go to TikTok from here, and here we go. I will need you guys to sign into your account, and then as you can see here, so this is the account as you can see. And let's say that you have created an account for your kids and you don't want like bad stuff to appear in your kid's account, or you don't like somebody in TikTok, you don't want his content to be showed in your TikTok account. So what you could do is basically you just go ahead and, as you can see, for example, choose somebody. So for example, this one, as you can see, I don't have really the option to block him from here. So what I'm going to do is click on this here from here, and then click on these 3 points, and you will find send message, report, and block. So click on block. They will show you that they will not be able to send you messages to your post or find your profile. This does include extended scenarios like multi-host, live streams, etc. And their contents will no longer be appeared for you. So click on block, and this will be it. So now you have blocked this user. If you want to unblock it, you can go here and unblock it from here. But yeah guys, so once more, you just want to go to any one of these. For example, this one, go here, 3 points, and then block it, block, and just like so, you have blocked the user on TikTok. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. That's how you can actually block somebody in TikTok. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.